We live in an area that, even though it's remote and has more animals than people, it still happens to be an area where the work ethic is among the best in the United States. Started AirPro in 2002. It's not like I had some dream to be wealthy or any of the normal stuff that people are excited about. My goal was to take my talents, my efforts, apply them in such a way that would end up benefiting many of my neighbors, is how I always put it. What we sought to produce and create was a business that would provide premier quality and customer service for the industrial market, and that we would service everything from the standard pre-engineered product to the custom design products. No matter what the function is in the company, everybody understands that the common goal ultimately is guaranteed reliability. Normally when we think quality, we only think one thing, right? It's that hardware that's going out the door, but I think of it as much more than that. With our vendor, we want them to view AirPro as their #1 customer, their favorite customer. That means we care about paying our bills on time. It means we care about treating you with respect. The 3-year warranty that we just introduced, it's the first time ever been done in the marketplace, and that's a reflection of where we think we are collectively with our attitude. Since I define success as success in life, not simply your work, we're not here promoting dog eat dog and do whatever it takes so that you can climb the ladder, so that you can make more money, get more bonuses, blah, blah, blah. Ultimately, it's what are you going to be able to enjoy going in and doing and giving yourself to? I have to have a bigger perspective, a bigger viewpoint than just what's going on at AirPro.